So today we're out at Ride Park riding the GasGas E12 electric mini bike. Let me tell you a few features about it. It's got a Chromoly steel frame, the front suspension has a 100mm travel, and the rear suspension is a gas shock with preload adjustment. The brakes on this bike are disc brakes, front and rear. The battery is a 48-volt lithium battery. And the best feature about this bike is that you can get an app that controls the engine. With the app, you can control the maximum power, maximum speed, throttle response, and if the child gets into any trouble, the parent can stop the bike through the app. The differences between the E10 and the E12 are, the E12 is a bigger bike with the two mini bikes. It's got 12-inch wheels front and rear, and the E10 has 10-inch wheels front and rear. The E10 has 75mm travel up front, the E10 has 1050 watt engine, and the E12 has a 1500 watt engine. They say that the maximum speed for the E10 is 40 kilometers per hour, and the maximum speed for the E12 is 52 kilometers an hour. Once the batteries have been fully charged, they say you get 2 hours of riding on it.
It was so much fun riding the bike today. I love the electric engine. What I liked about it was that it was quiet, easy to ride, and the brakes worked well.
All you have to do to start this bike is just turn the key to on, and off you go. I thought the bike was really nice. I felt it a lot better to ride because of how quiet it was. The suspension was really soft for how heavy I am. The power from a normal bike, it's a lot different because the power is just so much smoother and it's not there straight away. You throw it on the throttle and it'll be there, but it picks up at speed slowly.
Today my dad used the app to turn the power down on the bike. This really helped me at the start of the day to get used to the bike, and then we turned the power up when I got better on the bike. And I love that idea because it really gave me confidence throughout the day.
And at the back of the front number plate, there is a switch where you can switch it from 100% to 50% power. And near the throttle, it indicates how much battery life you got left.
Me and my brother had heaps of fun because we were sort of racing each other, and I think I won. I loved how the bikes were so quiet because me and Cam could talk to each other while we're riding.
I recommend someone obviously a little bit smaller than me because it would just be a little bit easier to ride, but it's great for someone just starting. So if you had a little backyard that was only about an acre or two, it'd be great because of how quiet they are. No one can really hear you.
For all your insurance needs, visit swaninsurance.com.au.